In this video, I will explain how to apply for jobs in Upwork 2024. First, go to your Upwork account and navigate to Find Work section in the top left menu. Then, click on Find Work in the drop-down menu. There are two types that you can search for a job. Number one, you can find a job in the My Feed section or in the Best Matches section, where Upwork automatically suggests you which matches your profile. Number two, you can create your own type of search for a specific job by typing it in Search for Jobs search area and selecting relevant filters. Select a preferred job from any of above methods and click on it. Then you will see the details of the job posting. You will need connects in order to apply for a job. Upwork will give free amount of connects each month, or you can buy more connects as well. Then click Apply Now. You can select your best profile to apply for the specific job if you have more than one. Else, you can simply apply using General Profile. Then select How do you want to get paid. Then select How will it take you to complete the task? This may differ if you get selected. Make sure to write a good cover letter to get the attention of the client. Attach any files if you have, like your previous projects, to impress the client. Add highlights of your talent from here. Optionally, you can boost your proposal to be the number one in the rank, but remember, this is optional. Then click Send. But remember, it's not 100% guaranteed that your proposal will be read by the client, since there are competitors. Thank you for watching.